Alright, so this is Register 360 and I have a point cloud that's been registered and I want to open it up in Map360. So all you need to do now in Map360 2021 is create a new project and click on Import Cyclone Register, and this allows you to open up a point cloud without first having to export it out to an LGS file. So I'm going to pick my project. And it's going to open it up directly. It opens very quickly, and if there's geotags established, you can see here the geotags have imported already into my project for me. And at this point we'd be ready to start creating our scene, you know, walking around the scene and looking at it. So here we're just walking down the street, and you can see how quickly I was able to open up that point cloud and start using it.